I'm just putting a few things away before I start the cooking. At least I want everything to look a little bit decent before I start cooking. I'm gonna make. Oh, we don't have banana. Oh my goodness, I can't make it because I have to have banana to make that porridge for her. All right, so plain beef. I'm gonna cook something else. I don't want to not do it because I don't know how my week will look like. So I'm gonna do it without the banana because I have something else that I can include in it to make the taste, to elevate the taste. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright? That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Although I like it better myself with the banana. Alright? How you guys doing? So I'm putting the milk. So I used to buy this. I can't believe the price of milk at Walmart. I feel like it's too cheap. What's in it? Something must be in it that's not good for my health. That's why the price is so affordable. Less than $3. So I bought Stonyfield organic milk this time. I'm gonna pour everything in the pot. It's ready. I'm gonna do it right now. See this? And I keep on stirring. You know what? I have just a tiny bit of oatmeal in this container. It's not much. Why should I live this? Look at that. I'm not. Alright, now so I'm gonna pour the rest with the first batch. Right? Excuse the mess, please. Hopefully before this year 2025 ends, this kitchen will have a different look. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep on using it and I'm gonna keep on recording in it because you know what? This is what we have. This is what we have. And we do not that we don't care, but this is what we have. We thank God for it. And we're gonna record. What are we gonna do? We're gonna record. What are we gonna not do? We're not gonna complain. Okay? You know what, guys? I forgot to put when I was blending everything, I forgot my special ingredient, which is the ginger. So I'm just grating it right now and put it in the pot. As it's boiling, cooking, I am putting it. It smells so good. The aroma. Oops. didn't quite yet, and I added some more milk because it's a little bit too it's not the consistency is not as I want it to be. It's too thick, so I added some more milk, and I think I'm gonna grate some more of the ginger, because the ginger give it such a great taste. If you're making my daughter is such a it's such a picky eater, so I have to come up with ways to cook things for her in order for her to eat it. So that's how I come up with adding the Jiffy muffin mix with the oatmeal, and I usually add bananas, ginger, and all the other spices. What you call it, cinnamon, and also this. And I don't have lemon zest, so I usually would add lemon zest to that. So today she's gonna make sure. I have to make sure that she eats it like that. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the ginger because it does elevate the taste. So I'm gonna make sure I add enough so the taste, it will take the taste to another level, right? That's what I'm doing. I'm peeling. It's a lot. So if she doesn't finish eating this whole part, Dad didn't finish it. I will take from it too, but since I'm lactose intolerant, it's not a good idea. It's not usually a good idea. And I don't add sugar because the Jiffy mix already has sugar, so that's it. I'm gonna let it cook for a little while, and that's it. Alright, so that's it for now. That's it for now. Right now, I'm back, guys. I finished with the porridge. I turned off the fire. I finished with the porridge. So now I'm getting some vegetables ready for the week. It's the same old thing. It's not cabbage this time. It's at 6:40. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. It's late. Please guys, go watch this video. Okay? Clean with me. Spring edition. It should be up tomorrow. Yes, so I'm making some cabbage. I'm still 417. You all need to subscribe to my channel, okay? next.